Good, lovely morning, you guys. Today we are out here building fence. We're having a warm day. It's like close to 60 degrees out here today. And so Lee's like, yeah, let's build fence. And we're all like, no, are you sure that's what you want to do? And he's like, yeah. What we're doing is we're separating this pond in half. Before it was fenced just around it. And the animals can only get water from one field. So by splitting it in half, we'll be able to water animals from 2 different fields out of the same pond.
I said, where are you post? Come here, Whit. Yeah, you.
Warren, grab a post. You ready? Got clips?
Family.
Thank you. Do they need to go over there too?
Yeah.
You guys need to follow Dad.
There's another post. Turn it.
No, I'm not sure I didn't put them around.
That's got
ice on the pond.
Oop, I switched your toes off.
Don't you wish you could drive post like that every time we tried?
Yeah.
You might bring a screwdriver or something? A little bit harder there?
Oh. Hold it up on the wire.
Warren, go get a screwdriver.
This will work.
Got it.
You want to put the tree on?
Yeah. This was new fence, we'd do it better.
Was that a threat?
Hey, Warren. Go get that leather gloves off the dash. Farm wire off the back.
So when is my cow due?
The end of January.
Neither one of your cows should calve until the middle of January. 20th of January to be exact. Well, if I got enough wire there to do 2 strings, I might do 2. I don't think it's... Well, we're going to have to correct it, but there might be such a dip here that...
Oh, yeah, much wire at all, do you?
Waylon, you need some gloves if you're going to be helping. Warren had some. Oh, he laid them on the ground.
Yeah. Put them back on your hands. Do work.
Dad, I think I could walk.
Let's do that one.
I'm gonna need the other roll.
Oh, you almost made it.
Here's a little bit of an overview of what this looked like. So we've got the upper field, then we have this field over here, but we're gonna take out all this wood paneling, and that will open this edge up to the animals that are in this field and the animals that are in this field over here, where Whitley is singing to the top of her lungs.
I think I could walk along this winter.
Listen to Mr. Powell once. You're gonna take all the clips out of that one over there?
I'm gonna go to a shine with the power.
Take that driver with you, Warren.
Hey, Whitley, bring your screwdriver out of that black bucket.
Right here.
Take this wire back off of me.
That'll do it. Well, we're gonna need one more clip
We need one more clip.
for the barbed wire.
On the other side of that post right up there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Did you get one more? No. Where?
No.
His gloves are like one size to the
Oh, no.
I can see. You would still need a piece of the other one. Yeah, I can hold that. Yeah. So if you need a check.
Nice day, Mal.
Move your hand.
Hey, I'd move your hand, how are you? That'll hold her.
You broke
Gently
it.
back off.
Here, come right back up.
I hate this.
So sad.
I hate this. I mean, the rock helps some.
We'll probably be able to do something different with it midsummer whenever there's not as much water in it. You think?
Maybe.
Hi, Rusty. Are you a good boy? Huh? Are you a good boy, Rusty? Rusty.
Lay on, man. Get more clips, Whitley. We're gonna do wires. Well, we're gonna need two more.
No. There should be enough something
I
in
want to try to put another post in there.
there. Might not be able
As far as it didn't crack. I mean, it went right down.
to hold this for me.
Where's the last one? Did we have another one?
We only had 3.
Here, one.
There's some net ones up there. No, I don't. I don't want them.
And you're gonna put another post in?
Yep.
Dad, you're gonna fall in.
Do it on the very bottom. Like right here. Now we'll do the next one.
Anyway,
Last one for that.
I'll do like this if I fell in. Run, look up the tape.
do one more in the middle here, Way.
It's like brain teasers.
Alright, take these fencing pliers over the truck. There you go.
All right, there's the cross fence done. Looks like I get to fetch somebody's gloves. Whitley, it's attached to the post. Yeah. Pretty easy disassembly.
Whole bunch of wires there. Should we bush hog that?
I'm going to.
Oh, there. Farm dog. We're just gonna throw these away.
Yep.
Okay, I think that and blue. I think it's
Looking for the middle.
You could probably get this one up there.
Almost got it. All right, we got all the wood panels down. Now we're working on barbed wire.
Pliers laying on the ground. Lucky I found them.
This one's harder to get out of the ground.
I think I like the one better one. On the back of the truck or on the pile?
The post goes on the back of the truck.
It's weird how it was in there.
So he is reattaching the panel back there, and we have all of that taken out, and now it is open to both fields. I feel like we really accomplished something today. Some of us just ran around and sang songs. Some of us just took naps, and the boys did most of the work. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
All right.
Subscribe so my paw don't have to work.